1.4 runway off.
Whiskey Lima, Quebec.
Oshawa Tower, Golf Lima, Oscar Fisher.
Golf Lima, Oscar Victor, Oshawa.
You have controls, line pressure, then you can do the static run.
Oh?
Let's wait for the call.
Golf Lima, Oscar Victor,
As soon as you hear the call sign, start, and then I'll take the radios.
Okay. Walmart?
Familiar with the what, sorry?
There's a Walmart, positioned 3 miles east of the airfield.
Yeah, that's affirmative.
Golf Golf Bravo Quebec, right-hand turnout, initially not below, correction, not above 1,500 feet. There is traffic overhead at 2,000 feet shortly. The wind 290 at 8 from Bravo, clear takeoff, runway 30.
Clear for takeoff 30, Golf Golf Bravo Quebec.
Golf Lima, Oscar Victor, roger, cleared, right base, fly direct to the Walmart, not below 2,000
takeoff runway
feet
set.
short of the Walmart.
Gauges in agree.
Yeah, Golf Lima,
Estimators alive.
So remember 60 all the way, 60 to 65. Okay, right back up, back up.
Quebec. Solid Nation runway 30, ready for departure.
Yep, and then we'll hold that until safe altitude.
Initially not above 1,500 feet. There is traffic transitioning west to east at 2,000 feet. You are following traffic airborne. The wind is 2908 from Bravo, clear takeoff runway 30.
Oshawa Tower, Golf Foxtrot,
100 feet to go.
Clear for takeoff, not above.
Safe altitude, flaps up,
Bumps up.
and then a little bit to the right, we'll glance behind us for the runway alignment. Then we'll pitch for VY.
India Tango, Oshawa.
Go ahead for India City.
India Tango, I'm not seeing you on the radar. Confirm is squawking 1206 and report your altitude.
Okay, 1,000 feet.
1206 and we're 1,500 feet. And we'll squawk high then.
15 degrees.
Yeah.
And then you see the red buildings?
Yeah.
Yep, so we can't see it yet, but Simcoe Street is along there, okay? So we can start running parallel this way.
Roger, number 1.
Okay.
Number 1 remains this up.
Oshawa Tower, Foxtrot Whiskey Mike Lima, ready for takeoff 30, when able. Request takeoff on the road.
Foxtrot Whiskey Mike Lima, right-hand turnout, remain west of Simcoe and not...
He's been told west of Simcoe?
Wind is 3008 from Bravo, clear takeoff.
Oh.
30, no delay.
Remain west of Simcoe, Foxtrot Whiskey Mike Lima.
Everyone coming in is going to be east of Simcoe.
Oshawa Tower, India Tango is clear zone now.
India Tango, thank you. Changed on read and obviously that altitude restriction is cancelled.
Thank you very much. India Tango.
Golf Golf Bravo Quebec, initially you're routing west of Simcoe.
We remain west of Simcoe, Golf Golf Bravo Quebec, and any altitude restrictions for us initially?
Golf Golf Bravo Quebec, I can't see you on the radar at the moment. Just confirm you're about 2 miles north of the field.
Affirmative, approximately 2 miles north, just south of the triple power lines, 2,000 feet.
Golf Golf Bravo Quebec, altitude restriction cancelled.
Golf Golf Bravo Quebec.
And Golf Foxtrot Foxtrot Quebec, altitude restriction cancelled.
Fox Quebec.
Golf Romeo Zulu Delta, wind 30010. The airborne traffic will be remaining in the correction. We'll be routing northbound, so no issue. Clear.
Okay, so you see the street?
Romeo Zulu Delta.
So this here is Simcoe.
This is Simcoe. Yeah. Do you see the on the highway there where you've got like the figure 8?
Yeah.
Yeah, that shows you that Simcoe there. And then we've got a town there.
The traffic is a Cessna at 2,000 feet. Just
that is
a mile and a half
Brooklyn?
northeast of the field, and they
Try and have your map nearby so that
road area.
the big town on that side. Because the most important thing, Siobhan, is not to
Lima Oscar Victor, Roger. You'll probably be passing overhead their traffic.
is not to necessarily know the names of the towns, but to know that this point on the map is that point on the ground.
Okay.
Okay.
Pipeline 1, just for information, traffic RB8 will be passing overhead from north to south. He's at 2,500 feet.
So you can set 5 right now and put the gears down.